What is that?
I'm telling you, forget na yung friendships because after my mall is built, this is better naman eh.
Nakagawa ko ng
Pagdikit mo sila.
flower.
I'm so excited naman. And tomorrow, they're going to start na the demolition. And then after that, they're going to build a deeper
Next
base.
painting.
Wow!
Ganitong kamay lang po, makakagawa na tayong flowers. Wow.
Don't worry na, that's okay na. That's good na nga eh. Champion na nga yun eh. When money talks.
Vampire.
Yeah! Company! Alright!
Ta-da! Let's play green.
Sababali!
Kasama ni si Bernice at Claudia?
It's Claudia. Yeah, it's all part of the plan.
So you think Bernice actually bought it?
Of course. Bernice probably thinks that her and Claudia are like BFFs now. And since they're BFFs, Claudia has access to Bernice's house. Which means she can find out her masamang balak. And it's part of what? It's so pretty
Sadan!
fun.
Decoration siya.
Leo, bukas baka magkaroon tayo ng problema sa demolition.
Oopsie. Kailangan yung patali dito.